Hi guys, this is Nahid again, and today we decide, my son and I, to build a computer. So we bought all the components from Amazon, and we're gonna start building the computer right now. We're gonna bring the case now. Mhm.
This is the first part. I don't know what it is, but
So we do not know what is inside. We know, but which case have what, we do not know yet. So this is all what we got from Amazon to build a gaming computer. That's okay.
سكين.
So we're gonna start now. كيف الكاميرا? We're gonna open. I think this is the case. Okay. So we're gonna open it. Have the honor to open it. Let's see. First of all, let's put these over here.
this one's already open.
That's fine. And let's open it now.
Be careful with the knife.
Thank you. And another one. Take that one out. Now, come on, open this. Come on.
Yeah, take it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not working. Oh, right in here.
Okay, this is what it comes. Do you see, guys? So I'm gonna take it out. Let's get box it.
نيمها واسحبها.
Take it out. Take this. And this.
Sure. Just take it out.
So basically, this is the case. This is the case. It have fans, and it have the LED lights.
That's a big
This
one.
is how we order it.
Show them it's empty.
Yeah,
It should have the power supply in it, so.
the power supply have it. So we need some tools.
Wait, try looking at the other side.
No, this side. Oh, by the way, over here, if you can see, if you can see over here, it have two USB and mic and speaker and power button on and off.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I do not. There's some washers over here. You have to be careful. Okay. And as you see over here, it's the power supply over here.
ايدك فيصل.
Yeah, there's a power supply over here. And now we're gonna find out ابعد لي شوية هيك. We're gonna find out about which one of these boxes over here is the motherboard. Okay, so we're back again to this one. And by the way, the cable comes with it, and some covers everywhere comes with it. Okay, Faisal. See all this. So هدول, you see, we're about to lose it.
تخافش بعيد يا فيصل طلع شو وجهك.
Okay. Faisal, put this somewhere. All this. Count 4 of each. 4 of each. Okay. Now we're gonna find the motherboard. بطلع شيء؟ It's okay, so بطلع شيء. I think شوف الكاميرا هي من الحقيقة وشي. Yeah. So I think this one is the motherboard. So let's try it. Mr. Faisal, how about you have the honor to open it?
This one is UPS. Didn't we order it from Amazon?
Is that?
I opened it though.
Okay. اسحبه. Oh, this is the extra fan. Oh, the power supply. I ordered another power supply because I thought that there was no power supply. I think this one, I think this one is the motherboard. Let's have it. Okay, now again.
Just rip it open.
This is the motherboard. Oh, and this is the memory. I ordered memory sheet. Okay. This is the motherboard.
Here, I got it.
And this is okay. I wear gloves now because some of these components is static components, so I don't want to burn it. Like the video card, I do not know if it's static or not. This is a video card. Okay. After we install the motherboard, we're gonna install the rest of it. But I think I ordered a video card by itself. Okay, now this is the motherboard.
من هو كربها لما
لا انت قلبي.
مين كده؟ كرب. بدي شيل أول ما يحبها.
Yeah. That's all. See, this is the motherboard. If you look over here, أعطيني can I have it? Okay, over here we have this is the CPU, which is yeah, I remember now, the fan. I think the fan, it comes on top of the CPU and it's loose, so we're gonna attach it right. And this is the slides for the memory I showed to you. Okay, and this is extra slices over here, slides for any other thing you want to add for it. Like we need to add a video card, so it comes already with the video over here, HDMI. Over here we can run a video of it, and it have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 USB, plus it have 2 of Wi-Fi. So I think the antennas is somewhere over here, the antennas. Okay, it have place for mic and the speakers too. Okay, so we're gonna start attach this to this first. Let's see, we need to attach it over here. So if you look over here, Arbi جوا. If you look over here and here, you see we can just put it in, and I do not know if I have to use some of the screws. Basically I did not see any screws in, but all these components over here, it have to come over here, have to come over here. Okay, you see it? Okay, so we're gonna do it like this.
Should we put in the memory, the video card first?
No. We need to see something over here. I need light. في عندكم light. This one to the motherboard. We need to attach this cable to the motherboard, which is this cable gonna turn on the fan and some of the LED light and power on, power off button over here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it like this from here. I'll put it over here, and let's see. This cable is too tight. Now, yes, I can do it now. انت شايف؟ يلا امسكه وحطه جوا.
What were those that you just switched?
Let me switch one.
The things, like these. What were they? They were right here. You just switched them.
This is the memory. Does it fit?
Not really. Try and push it in a bit more if you can.
There's a cable over here. Oh, I know what you said. Okay, now I know. So now we need to do some adjustment. We need to do some adjustment over here and here. This one is here. Positive Mariti. So I take a little break, and now I'm gonna show you the video card. The video card that comes still with the fan, and there is some other things inside. There is the owner manual and some sticker over here, and the cables and other cables. and zip tie it. And something. Oh, here we go. The screw is what I'm looking for. Okay. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Just want to show you what kind of motherboard is this. This is supposedly to be the latest technology, which is it have the Wi-Fi and the operating system is Windows 11. Okay, and it will fit the DDR5 because the DDR5 have more ability to run more games, to accept running more heavy games, more than the DDR4, which is I'm talking about the memory. Okay, plus we have the core. Okay, let's put everything on the motherboard first and then put it back on the case. Let's do this. So first of all, we have a thing to put it in.
Motherboard.
Back تبعته. So this one is totally empty. I don't want it. And this, the memory. This one I'm gonna move it over here. And now we're gonna sit down. Do you have anything to put here? Yeah, it's here. I'm gonna put this thing down and let's put everything else. Okay, I think the CPU is not including over here because I ordered the CPU by itself. Faisal, maybe that one is the CPU. Maybe this one is the CPU. Let's open it, brother.
You don't need to cut it, just rip it open.
It is the CPU.
Yeah, it's
Open it. This is the CPU. It's i9, Intel i9, the latest technology up to today. I do not know tomorrow. Can you open it, Baba?
sure.
Take it out. In the meantime, while he's taking it out, I'm gonna show you how to open it up. You press over here. أربعة. في أرقام. Is there any digital numeric over here? Do not carry it. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So over here, Faisal, you have to open it. طلع. Just press and pull like this. Okay. This motherboard does not include the CPU as you see over here. بإمكانك تكبري الصورة وتصغريها. Okay. So I'm gonna take it.